IBM watsonx Online Training. Introduction to IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx is a suite of AI and data tools designed to enable businesses to build, scale, and deploy AI-driven applications. watsonx encompasses various components, each catering to different aspects of AI and data analytics. Here's an overview. Key components of IBM watsonx. watsonx.ai AI Development Tools provides a comprehensive set of tools for developing, training, and deploying machine learning models. This includes pre-trained models, AutoAI for automating model building, and tools for custom model development. Natural Language Processing (NLP) offers capabilities for understanding and generating human language, enabling applications like chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis. watsonx.data Data integration and management facilitates the integration, preparation, and management of diverse data sources. This includes data virtualization, data governance, and metadata management. Analytics and Insights provides tools for data exploration, visualization, and advanced analytics to derive actionable insights from large datasets. watsonx.governance Data and AI governance ensures compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. This includes tools for data lineage, auditing, and monitoring AI models to ensure they operate within predefined ethical and legal boundaries. watsonx.security AI and data security focuses on protecting AI models and data from threats and vulnerabilities. This includes tools for threat detection, anomaly detection, and securing sensitive data used in AI applications. Key features and benefits. Scalability. watsonx is designed to scale from small projects to enterprise-level applications, supporting extensive data volumes and complex AI models. Integration seamlessly integrates with existing IT infrastructure, cloud platforms, and data sources, ensuring smooth data flow and interoperability. Ease of use provides user-friendly interfaces and automated tools that reduce the complexity of AI development and data management, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. Collaboration facilitates collaboration among data scientists, developers, and business analysts through shared workspaces and version control. Key features and capabilities of IBM watsonx. 1. AI and Data Platform. Watson Studio provides tools for building, running, and managing AI models. It supports various frameworks and languages such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Watson Machine Learning enables the deployment, monitoring, and management of machine learning models in production. Watson OpenScale offers capabilities for monitoring and governing AI models to ensure fairness, explainability, and compliance. 2. Natural Language Processing (NLP). Watson Natural Language Understanding analyzes text to extract metadata like categories, concepts, entities, keywords, sentiments, and more. Watson Assistant creates AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants that understand and respond to user inquiries. 3. Speech and Language Services. Watson Text-to-Speech converts written text into natural-sounding speech. Watson Speech to Text transcribes audio files or real-time speech into text. Watson Language Translator provides language translation capabilities. 4. Data management and integration. Watson Knowledge Catalog helps discover, curate, and manage data assets. Watson Discovery uses machine learning to find insights hidden in vast amounts of data, making it easier to uncover trends and patterns. 5. AI Governance and Compliance. Watson Open Pages with Watson integrates AI into governance, risk, and compliance processes to improve decision-making and efficiency. 6. AI-powered automation. Watson AIOps uses AI to analyze IT operations data to predict, identify, and resolve incidents automatically. Watson Orchestrate provides AI-driven automation of workflows, helping to streamline business processes. 7. Industry solutions. Customizable solutions tailored for specific industries such as healthcare, finance, and customer service. Pre-trained models and AI services that can be quickly deployed to address common industry challenges. AI and machine learning with IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx is a comprehensive AI and data platform designed to facilitate the development and deployment of AI models. Here are some key aspects of watsonx. Key features: AI development tools. Watson Studio, a collaborative environment for data scientists, developers, and analysts to build and train AI models. AutoAI automates the end-to-end process of data preparation, model development, feature engineering, and hyperparameter optimization. Machine learning capabilities. Watson Machine Learning offers tools for deploying, monitoring, and managing machine learning models. Supports various frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Neural Network Modeler, a graphical tool for designing, training, and deploying neural networks. Natural Language Processing, NLP. Watson Natural Language Understanding, NLU provides capabilities for extracting metadata from text, including entities, keywords, categories, sentiment, and emotion. Watson Assistant, a conversational AI solution for building chatbots and virtual assistants. Data integration and management. Watson Knowledge Catalog, a data cataloging and governance tool that helps in organizing and managing data assets. Data Refinery, for data preparation and transformation tasks. Analytics and business intelligence. Watson Discovery, a cognitive search and content analytics engine that leverages machine learning to find hidden patterns and insights in data. Watson OpenScale monitors and manages AI models to ensure fairness, explainability, and compliance with regulations. Benefits. Scalability. watsonx is built to handle large-scale AI and machine learning workloads. Integration seamlessly integrates with other IBM cloud services and third-party tools. Security offers robust security features to protect data and models. Compliance helps in maintaining compliance with various regulations through features like model explainability and bias detection. Data privacy and security in IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx prioritizes data privacy and security through a multi-facet approach. Here are key aspects of how it manages these critical areas. Data privacy. Data minimization. Only necessary data is collected, and personal data usage is minimized to limit exposure. Anonymization and pseudonymization. Techniques like anonymization and pseudonymization are used to protect personal information. User control. Users have control over their data, including access, correction, and deletion rights. Compliance adheres to global data protection regulations, including GDPR, CCPA, and others. Data security. Encryption. In transit, data is encrypted using TLS SSL during transmission. At rest, data is encrypted at rest using AES-256 or other strong encryption standards. Access controls. Authentication, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and single sign-on, SSO, are used to ensure secure access. Authorization, role-based access control, RBAC, ensures that users have only the necessary permissions. Auditing and monitoring. Logs. Detailed logs are maintained to track access and changes. Monitoring. Continuous monitoring of systems for suspicious activities and potential breaches. Incident response. Preparedness. Incident response plans are in place to quickly address and mitigate any data breaches. Notifications. Users and authorities are promptly notified in case of data breaches, in compliance with regulations. Secure development practices. Code reviews. Regular code reviews and security testing are conducted. Updates. Security patches and updates are regularly applied to address vulnerabilities. Additional security measures. Data residency ensures data is stored and processed in specific locations to comply with local regulations. Privacy by design incorporates privacy features into the design and development of products from the outset. Third-party audits. Regular third-party audits and certifications, such as ISO IEC 27001, to ensure compliance with security standards. Deployment and integration options for IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx offers several deployment and integration options to cater to different business needs and environments. Here are some of the key options. Deployment options. Cloud deployment. IBM Cloud. watsonx can be deployed on IBM Cloud, providing a fully managed environment with the ability to scale resources as needed. Other cloud providers. watsonx can also be deployed on other major cloud platforms such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, allowing for flexibility in choosing the preferred cloud infrastructure. On-premises deployment. For organizations that need to keep their data on-premises due to regulatory, security, or compliance reasons, watsonx can be deployed within the company's own data centers. Hybrid deployment. watsonx supports hybrid cloud environments, allowing businesses to deploy the solution both on-premises and in the cloud, providing the flexibility to balance workloads and optimize costs. Integration options. APIs and SDKs. watsonx provides a rich set of APIs and SDKs that enable integration with various applications and services. Developers can use these tools to embed watsonx capabilities into existing systems and workflows. Data connectors. watsonx supports a wide range of data connectors to integrate with different data sources, including databases, data lakes, data warehouse, and third-party applications. This ensures seamless data ingestion and processing. AI and machine learning integration. watsonx can integrate with other AI and machine learning tools and platforms, allowing for advanced analytics and model deployment. This includes integration with Jupyter Notebooks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and other popular ML frameworks. Business applications. watsonx can be integrated with various business applications such as ERP, CRM, and HR systems to enhance decision-making processes and automate workflows. Industry applications of IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx is a suite of AI and data solutions designed to help organizations leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning to solve complex problems and drive innovation. Here are some key industry applications of IBM watsonx. Healthcare. Clinical decision support. watsonx can analyze large data sets of medical records, research papers, and clinical trials to provide insights and recommendations for patient care. Personalized medicine. By analyzing genetic information and patient history, watsonx can help develop personalized treatment plans. Medical imaging. watsonx can assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. Financial services. Fraud detection. watsonx can analyze transaction data in real time to identify potentially fraudulent activities. Risk management. It can help financial institutions assess and manage risks by analyzing market data, economic indicators, and other relevant information. Customer service. watsonx can power chatbots and virtual assistants to provide personalized customer service and support. Retail. Customer insights. watsonx can analyze customer data to provide insights into shopping behaviors, preferences, and trends. Inventory management. It can optimize inventory levels by predicting demand and identifying supply chain inefficiencies. Personalized marketing. watsonx can help retailers create targeted marketing campaigns based on customer data analysis. Manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. watsonx can predict equipment failures by analyzing sensor data and historical maintenance records, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Quality control. It can detect defects in products by analyzing images and sensor data from the production line. Supply chain optimization. watsonx can optimize supply chain operations by analyzing data from various sources, such as suppliers, logistics providers, and market conditions. Predictive analytics with IBM watsonx. Predictive analytics with IBM watsonx leverages the power of AI and machine learning to forecast future outcomes based on historical data. IBM watsonx offers various tools and capabilities to build, deploy, and manage predictive models. Here's an overview of how you can utilize IBM watsonx for predictive analytics. Key features: data preparation, data integration, combine data from various sources, including databases, data lakes, and external APIs. Data cleaning, remove inconsistencies and handle missing values to ensure data quality. Feature engineering. Create new features that can improve the predictive power of your models. Model building. Automated machine learning. AutoML use watsonx AutoAI to automate the process of model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and feature engineering. Custom model development. Develop custom machine learning models using Python, R, or other languages and libraries supported by watsonx. Pre-built models. Utilize pre-trained models available in watsonx model catalog for common predictive tasks. Model training and evaluation. Training. Train models on your dataset using watsonx's scalable infrastructure. Evaluation. Assess model performance using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and AUC-ROC curves. Cross-validation. Perform cross-validation to ensure model robustness and generalization. Deployment. Model deployment. Deploy models as APIs that can be integrated into your applications. Real-time scoring. Provide real-time predictions by integrating deployed models with your operational systems. Monitoring and management. Model monitoring. Continuously monitor model performance and detect drift over time. Model management. Manage versions of your models and retrain them as needed to maintain accuracy. Natural language processing with IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx offers robust capabilities in natural language processing, NLP. Here are some key aspects of NLP with IBM watsonx. Text analysis and sentiment analysis. watsonx can analyze text data to extract insights, such as identifying sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral, in customer feedback or social media posts. Entity recognition. watsonx can identify and categorize entities in text, such as names of people, organizations, locations, dates, and more. Language translation. watsonx provides translation services to convert text from one language to another, enabling communication across language barriers. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text. watsonx can convert written text into spoken words and vice versa, facilitating applications like virtual assistants and transcription services. Custom language models. Users can train custom language models with their own data to improve the accuracy and relevance of NLP tasks for specific use cases. Question answering. watsonx can understand and respond to questions posed in natural language, making it useful for developing chatbots and virtual assistants. Document understanding. watsonx can analyze and understand the content of documents, extracting key information and summarizing content. Integration with other IBM services. watsonx can be integrated with other IBM services, such as Watson Discovery for advanced search capabilities and Watson Knowledge Studio for building custom models. Collaborative tools in IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx offers several collaborative tools that are integrated into its platform to support various aspects of AI and machine learning development. Some key collaborative tools and features include Watson Studio. Watson Studio provides a suite of tools for data scientists, application developers, and subject matter experts to collaboratively and easily work with data, train models, and deploy AI solutions. It supports Python, R, and Scala, and integrates with popular open-source tools like Jupyter Notebooks. Watson Machine Learning. This tool enables teams to deploy machine learning models and manage them throughout their life cycle. It includes capabilities for model versioning, testing, and integration with various deployment environments. Watson OpenScale, designed for AI and machine learning operationalization, Watson OpenScale helps monitor and explain AI-driven decisions in production. It provides transparency and auditability, which is crucial for collaboration between data scientists, developers, and business stakeholders. Watson Assistant, for building conversational AI applications, Watson Assistant allows teams to create chatbots and virtual agents. It supports natural language processing, NLP, and integrates with various messaging platforms, enabling collaborative development of interactive AI solutions. Data Refinery. This tool provides data preparation capabilities, allowing teams to cleanse, shape, and enrich data for AI model training. It supports collaborative workflows for data cleaning and transformation tasks. Model Asset Exchange. Max is a repository of open-source deep learning models that can be easily deployed and used. It promotes collaboration by allowing teams to share and reuse pre-trained models for various AI applications. IBM Cloud Park for Data. While not exclusively watsonx, IBM Cloud Park for Data provides an integrated data and AI platform that supports collaboration across teams. It includes tools for data management, AI model development, governance, and deployment. Future trends and innovations in IBM watsonx. IBM watsonx continues to evolve with advancements in AI and machine learning. Here are some future trends and innovations to watch for. Enhanced natural language understanding. IBM watsonx is likely to improve its ability to understand and generate human-like text, supporting more nuanced conversations and complex queries. AI-powered automation. Expect watsonx to integrate deeper into automation processes, leveraging AI to streamline decision-making and operational efficiency across industries. Integration with IoT and edge computing. As IoT devices proliferate, watsonx may focus on integrating with edge computing frameworks to process data closer to its source, enabling faster insights and real-time decision-making. Ethical AI and explainability. With growing concerns about AI ethics, watsonx may introduce features that enhance transparency and explainability in AI decision-making processes. Industry-specific solutions. IBM is likely to continue developing industry-specific solutions tailored to sectors like healthcare, finance, and retail, leveraging watsonx's capabilities in data analytics and predictive modeling. Advanced data analytics. watsonx could advance its capabilities in data analytics, including predictive analytics, anomaly detection, and prescriptive insights, supporting data-driven decision-making at scale. Hybrid cloud and multi-cloud deployments. IBM watsonx might expand its compatibility with hybrid cloud environments and multiple cloud providers, offering flexibility and scalability to organizations with diverse IT infrastructures. Natural language processing, NLP, advancements. NLP capabilities within watsonx are expected to improve, enabling more sophisticated language understanding, sentiment analysis, and content generation. What are the use cases of IBM watsonx in healthcare? IBM watsonx, particularly in healthcare, is utilized across various use cases leveraging its AI and machine learning capabilities. Some prominent use cases include clinical decision support. watsonx can analyze vast amounts of medical literature, patient records, and clinical guidelines to assist healthcare providers in making informed decisions about diagnosis and treatment plans. Medical imaging analysis. Using image recognition and deep learning, watsonx can help radiologists and other clinicians analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, CT scans to detect anomalies and support diagnosis. Personalized medicine. watsonx can analyze genomic data and other patient-specific factors to recommend personalized treatment plans and therapies based on individual genetic profiles and medical history. Drug discovery and development. watsonx can accelerate drug discovery processes by analyzing vast amounts of scientific literature, genetic data, and clinical trial results to identify potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness. Patient engagement and support. Through natural language processing and conversational AI, watsonx can interact with patients, providing information about conditions, medications, and treatment options, and even offering personalized health advice. Healthcare operations optimization. watsonx can help healthcare organizations optimize operations by analyzing data related to resource allocation, patient flow, and operational efficiencies. Clinical trials optimization. By analyzing historical data and scientific literature, watsonx can help researchers identify suitable patient cohorts for clinical trials, predict trial outcomes, and optimize trial designs. Healthcare fraud detection. watsonx can analyze claims data and detect patterns indicative of fraudulent activities, helping healthcare providers and insurers prevent financial losses. How does IBM watsonx support machine learning workflows? IBM watsonx supports machine learning workflows through various capabilities that streamline the development, deployment, and management of machine learning models. Here are some key aspects. Data preparation and integration. watsonx provides tools for data preparation, cleansing, and integration, ensuring that data is ready for analysis and model training. This includes support for handling diverse data types and sources. Model development and training. It offers a suite of tools and frameworks for building machine learning models. Developers can leverage libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or IBM's proprietary tools optimized for various tasks. AutoAI. watsonx includes AutoAI capabilities, which automate the process of building and optimizing machine learning models. This accelerates model development by automatically selecting algorithms and hyperparameters based on the data provided. Deployment and monitoring. Once models are trained, watsonx facilitates their deployment into production environments. It supports containerization for scalable deployment and provides monitoring tools to track model performance and health over time. Explainability and interpretability. Understanding and explaining model decisions are crucial. watsonx offers features for model explainability, helping data scientists and stakeholders understand how models arrive at their predictions. Collaboration and governance. watsonx provides collaboration tools that allow teams to work together on machine learning projects. It also includes governance features to ensure compliance with regulations and organizational policies. Integration with other IBM services. watsonx can integrate with other IBM services like IBM Cloud, enabling seamless integration with cloud-native applications and leveraging additional capabilities such as data storage, security, and scalability. How does IBM watsonx facilitate collaboration between data scientists and business users? IBM watsonx facilitates collaboration between data scientists and business users through several key capabilities. Unified platform. watsonx provides a unified platform where both data scientists and business users can access and work with data, models, and insights. This shared environment fosters collaboration by allowing each group to contribute their expertise seamlessly. AI-powered insights. The platform leverages AI and machine learning capabilities to generate insights from data, which are accessible to both data scientists and business users. This common understanding of data-driven insights helps align business goals with analytical findings. Natural language processing. NLP watsonx includes NLP capabilities that enable business users to interact with data and analytics using natural language queries. This reduces the dependency on technical skills and enhances communication between business users and data scientists. Model development and deployment. Data scientists can develop and deploy models within watsonx, which can then be integrated into business processes and applications. This integration streamlines the operationalization of AI and analytics, making it easier for business users to leverage these models. Collaborative workspaces. watsonx offers collaborative workspaces where teams can work together on projects, share findings, and iterate on solutions. This collaborative environment encourages cross-functional teamwork and knowledge sharing. Governance and security. IBM watsonx includes robust governance and security features to ensure that data access, usage, and collaboration comply with regulatory requirements and organizational policies. This provides a secure framework for collaboration between different stakeholders. Overall, IBM watsonx enhances collaboration between data scientists and business users by providing a unified platform with AI-driven insights, NLP capabilities, collaborative workspaces, and robust governance features. These capabilities enable both groups to work together effectively to derive value from data and drive business outcomes. Why choose ProExcellency for IBM watsonx online training? Choosing ProExcellency for IBM watsonx online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers training delivered by experts with deep knowledge and practical experience in IBM watsonx. This ensures high-quality learning experiences with real-world insights. Comprehensive curriculum. They likely provide a well-structured curriculum that covers all essential aspects of AI, machine learning, and natural language processing using IBM watsonx. This can help learners grasp both theoretical concepts and practical applications. Hands-on projects. Training from ProExcellency may include hands-on projects or case studies, allowing learners to apply their knowledge in practical scenarios, which is crucial for skill development. Flexible learning options. They may offer flexible learning schedules and modes, such as self-paced learning or live online classes, accommodating different learning styles and time constraints. Certification preparation. If certification is a goal, ProExcellency might provide guidance and resources to help learners prepare for IBM watsonx certifications, enhancing their credibility in the job market. Support and community. They may offer support through mentors or forums where learners can interact with peers and experts, fostering a supportive learning environment. Thank you.